Hi, all. This is Gautam, worked as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So today, let's get into the topic, which is introduction of life in the biology for engineers. So let's see the carbohydrates have some major functions, and what are the healthy and what are the unhealthy foods, and what are the fat acids we should gain in our day-to-day life in a human life. First one is providing energy and regulation of blood glucose, then followed by sparing the use of proteins for energy. It should be sparing, then followed by a breakdown of fatty acids and preventing then biological recognition process. We should recognize the process in the biological order. Let's see the in a next slide. Then flavor and sweetness, then dietary fiber. So this is some major function should play some vital role in our human body. So next one is function of liquids in our bodies. Lipids function as a energy reserve, regulate hormones like we should transmit nerves in vital organs and transport some fat soluble nutrients. So this is some strong energy and the excess energy from the body we should eat in a digesting and incorporate a tissue of a fatty tissue. Then followed by regulating and signaling, then insulating and protecting. So this is some cuisines for the organs. Then followed by characteristics and classification of living organism. First one is excretion, next one is growth, then reproduction, then sensitivity. In first one, we have already discussed like excretion. It should be all living things excreted as a result of the many chemical reactions occurring in all the cells. They have to get rid of waste products mighty poisons of the cells. Exclusion is a definition of removal of the toxic materials and waste products in the human bodies and metabolism and substance in exist from the body of an organism. Next one is growth. Growth is nothing but we have seen in all living things should be from baby to on hierarchical order. It should involve using the food products what we have take a get good food good healthy food and bad food. We should differentiate that like a product new cells the permanent increase of a cell number and size, which is called growth. Next one, reproduction. So all living organisms have the ability to produce offspring. Then sensitivity, it's a major one for all human beings and living things. Like all living things are able to sense and respond the suitable around such as a light, temperature, water, gravities, chemical substance, etc. So here are some hierarchical classifications as I mentioned in the next slide. So these are some classifications one by one from previous year from our family background to right spaces. First one is kingdom. Kingdom is nothing but we should call a kingdom from a animal tree. Next one is phylum, then followed by the class, then followed by order. Next generation is get into the family, which is family is nothing but one or two members, two or more members, which comes under the one circumstance, which is called family. Then genes, then species. So this is, as I mentioned in previous slide, kingdom. Kingdom is nothing but animala, like all animals and some of the zebras are called kingdom. Next one, spila is nothing but all animals with backbone. In kingdom means without backbone, like a zebra, fish, or anything like that. Then phylum is that's also one of the animals, all type of animals with backbone. Then class is nothing but animals with backbone, and on point maybe added like a with which have hair. Animals with backbone which have hair. Then followed by order. Order is nothing but mammals with the hands and feet. This is some briefly explained. Then family. Family is nothing but private humans and modern humans. Next one is genus Homo, which is nothing but private humans and modern humans only. They are mentioned only private and modern only. Next one is species. Species is nothing but modern humans only. Then followed by scientific name, which is also called the huge factor in the particular area. So this is the some hierarchical classification system. As I mentioned earlier, how the human lives from previous to today, from kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genes, spice, and etc. So this is a overall